Let's go. Oh, it's stuck on there. Lucky for you, my life is run by liquid latex. I'm assuming you mean the satisfying part is taking it off, so yeah, let's do it. I gotta tell you though, Mr. Krabs was not feeling this one. I was though. I'm sorry, I gotta be quiet though, my siblings are asleep, and I'm not trying to traumatize them any more than they already are. I'm starting with the nose. Brother, I just wanna go to sleep, get off my face. That felt so bad, yet so good. Little holes. And I gotta serve the nightmare fuel. Now wait, this part is really satisfying too. Aw, so clean. I'ma go wash this off. I am now clean and ready to go to bed. But you guys have an amazing day.
Oh, it's M to the cheese, M to the cheese, M to the M to the M to the cheese, M to the cheese, M to the cheese, M to the M to the M to the cheese. Grommet.
Alright, let's remove the makeup. Pluck the little hairs. I'm worried about how this is gonna come off. Oh. 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 Ben Nye remove all to get rid of all this liquid latex on my face. Ooh. Now we will remove going to take my face halo and get some of this off. I am gonna go in the shower now.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again.
I can talk again, oh my god. That was literally the quietest intro I've ever done in my entire life. Hi, how's it going? I was so happy with this makeup. It took me so much willpower just to take this little part off. But let's just keep taking the rest of it off. I really like how these buttons look, like I can see through these little holes. I literally didn't talk for an hour and I already forgot how to speak. But the small pieces are done, let's do the big ones. The carrot nose. Ah! Sis really popped off there, huh? Alright, now the eyes. Can I, like, take the button out? I can! Why is this scarier than the original look? Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta take this off without ripping my skin. Ah! This.
I need to get this off now. Oh man. Oh. Woo. Oh, my skin is pissed. I don't have my face halo right here with me, so, and I have a hair on my nose. Okay. I'm gonna go get in the shower, so, see you later.
Pick up my makeup with me. Oh. Oh no, the ears. Sad. Ooh, and this one. Oh, this is so sad. I don't want to do this. Should I just, just rip? Oh, wow. Oh.
Oh no. I look terrible.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I can't wait to take this off. Oh my god. But, to give myself some credit, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I made these ears out of paper and wire, and let's take them off. Ooh. This isn't even a correct bald cap. It's a hair cap. Wig cap is the right word. I forgot that word. This is air dry clay, and my skin is not happy with it. It's squishy. I'm mentally preparing myself for being able to breathe again. Ooh. Ah. What is this? I'm just gonna finish taking the rest of this off. And of course, we need the nightmare fuel. Oh boy. Alright, the moment of truth. No. There's no way. I took a shower. It's not coming off.
Take off my makeup with me, Rhinestone Glam Demon Edition. First the earrings and the lashes. Now the contacts. And now for the really fun part. Little baby horns. Ow. And this nasty scar wax. Ew. It's so messy and sticky and yucky. Ugh. Look at my fingers. Ew. For the horns. Ugh. Could not get this scar wax to lay right, but it was still a cool, fun, messy look. Also remembering I didn't take one freaking picture. And also my apartment people had to come over and saw me looking real crazy.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.
Okay, so we're back at it again. I have to take off all this makeup now and I don't want to. Number one, because it's cute. Number two, because it's going to be very painful. I put so much freaking latex on this thing. I don't know. I'm going to get this off. It's on my eyebrows, so oh, that hurts. My friends tell me I should use Vaseline. Don't ask why it's in this tub. I would listen to them, but what fun would that be? None. Beauty's pain, beauty's pain, beauty's pain. Beauty's pain. Ow! Gosh, that came off so easy. What? I don't know who's gonna come. Oh, ew. I'm pink. There is so much glitter and pink all over my face. I look sick.
Take off my makeup with me. I am like 90% sure that this red stained my face, and I am so scared to find out. Eyelashes. You know that villain from Powerpuff Girls? That's what this is giving me. Okay, for the pearls, I'm just gonna like hope this is an efficient way to take them off. I'm just now realizing I did not take a picture of this makeup look. This stuff never fails me. Don't fail me today. Please don't stay. I'm so nervous. I'm telling you, this cleansing balm. Couldn't tell you why my eyebrows are yellow. Okay, I'm gonna go wash off this glue. Bye.
Whoa, 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day.
So it's time to take this makeup off. I've glued this to my face. It's gonna be Spain without the S. Let's go. First I'm gonna get rid of this wig. Ooh, and knock everything over. Oh my god, it's not coming off. Oh no. I have a horrible feeling it's gonna take my eyebrow off. Oh my god! It is stuck to my eyebrows. What am I gonna do? Ow! Oh my god, oh my god! I think I saved the eyebrow. I'm just gonna try and oil the glue away. Next time I think it's a good idea to use lash glue to stick things down. Don't let me. Oh my Christ, this is hurting. Half my face has come off. Oh my god, I just wanted to do the emoji challenge. That's it, I'm not taking this side off. This is just me forever now. I've literally used prosthetics. They're easier to get off than this.
Taking off my makeup, Grinch edition. First, I'm taking off these fingers. Disgusting. Then I realized I didn't have any more cotton pads, which meant I'll have to figure something else out. And I decided to use this old towel thing. I see you judging me. Do you have a better idea? I'm listening. No? Then shut up. At this point, I knew this was gonna take forever. Why am I doing this at 6 a.m.? After 20 minutes, my hands were clean. Then the neck area. I was a little worried I was gonna stay green, but it came off, yay! Then I moved over to my face, and I poked myself in the eye trying to get the lens out. After that, my eye was just in so much pain, I didn't see what I was doing. Why am I doing this at 7 a.m.? And I officially can't see from my left eye.
Shit, y'all, it is that official time where it's like time to take this off, but I'm really dreading it. So I did a Philippine eagle today, but I had this lovely idea to like glue all these feathers to myself, so it's gonna be a real pain in the ass. Start with the easy stuff, I guess, like this headdress thing. Jesus. Gonna attempt to use this remover. Can start with the easy part, like the prosthetic beak. Believe it or not, this thing like went all the way up to here. Almost there. Not really, but these ones I'm pretty sure I can just pull off. Mother of Mary, please don't let this hurt.